want to work with the early education and you want to work with the minds which are immature, early age. Do you think we have a generation left for humankind to actually fix ourselves? Do you think we have 20 years left?
Yeah. You know, I think this idea about everybody says the world needs saving, the planet needs saving. You can turn it around and say, you know, the world would probably be just fine without us. It would be
Without
good.
us,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah. So without us, it would reshape and reform and it will bloom. So I don't believe in that. I believe that, yeah, we might have terrible catastrophes where lots of people will be displaced, lots of people will die, we will have unrest and wars and what have not. But we're going to survive.
As humanity, yes.
As humanity.
A little bit at least.
Yeah, I think so. And, you know...
How many out of 7.5 billion will be left, by the way? In your dreams?
I don't know.
You don't want to say it? You don't know?
No, first of all, I think we're going to go up to 10 billion.
Before we die?
Before we die, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, and it's going fast. So let's say we
But
have...
that's 30 years, man.
Yeah, let's say 30 years. I think we...
We have 30 years?
I think so.
Yeah.
I think we have much more than that. I think, lots of people, lots of catastrophes and lots of problems.
I feel we have 20.
Yeah. Well, we'll see.
It's a feeling, right?
It's a feeling, yeah. And to me, it's scary because I have kids, young kids, and I have a 4-year-old, and he's probably going to start working in 20 years. So that's like the horizon. And what I do see now is that the education system is not built and developed to...
But they have Minerva.
Well, I don't think Minerva is the right model either, but I think no, because it's higher education, right? So I think
schooling needs to be similar.
Yeah, but we need to start at a very early age. We need to start with the youngest kids, and we need to make sure that, well, if these kids learn proper communications and collaboration skills and behaviors and so on, then we need to train the parents so they don't come home and get de-learned, because the parents they were trained 45 or 50 years ago. So yeah, I think you can worry a lot. I think some of these things that we're talking about, the world is climate-wise definitely a problem. But I was there at the midst of the millennial shift with the internet, and when everybody said now everything is going to break down, we're not going to have water, and then we passed millennial shift and nothing happened, right? And I was working for Cisco System at that time. It was a big thing. Will internet crash? Will our water supply go away? Will our everything die? And nothing happened. So I hope that we will fix this. Yeah, terrible disasters, absolutely, but
hopefully.